front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. Start by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now just click on your brightness slider, and when you see a letter in the sun, that means that auto brightness is on. When you click again, it will disappear. That means that auto brightness is disabled. If you wish, you can also go into Settings, click on Display and Brightness, and use this switcher next to Automatic to switch it on or turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!